Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and thank you for joining us. Today we are not hiding, instead we are in the kitchen, we are cooking. So we're going to be cooking chicken coconut curry. The ingredients that we're going to need, we've got our chicken. I just cleaned it and cut it into smaller pieces. So the wings, I cut them into winglets, and then for the breast, I just cut them into smaller pieces. And the drumsticks, make sure you just cut them small cuts so that the flavors can go in. Okay, on our veggies, we've got baby marrow. When you cut it, make sure it's thick cuts so that it doesn't get mushy when you cook it. We've got our bell peppers, we've got onion, and we've got some herbs. So the herbs are just to make it more flavorful. So on the herbs, we've got basil, we've got thyme, and sage leaves. On the spices, we've got ginger, we've got garlic powder, we've got ground cumin, and tomato paste. We've got our salt, our pepper, our curry powder, and ground paprika, as well as olive oil. Okay, the first thing we're gonna season our chicken with salt and pepper. Okay, now we're going to turn on our stove, put it on high, and then put our skillet on. Wait for it to be hot so that we can serve the chicken. Okay, once the skillet is hot, we're gonna put in our chicken. Yes, we want the sap when you put it in. And then we're going to stir the chicken 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it is brown. Okay, it's been about 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're just gonna turn the chicken and change the other side for about 3 to 4 minutes as well. Okay, I think it's been about 5 minutes, but the timing will depend on your stove and the pan as well. So you just want it to be brown both sides. So now I'm gonna reduce the heat and take the chicken out. There's our chicken. So we're gonna put it aside. Now we're going to add some olive oil to fry the onion. Add our onions. We're going to fry the onion for 3 to 4 minutes. On the herbs, we're adding sage, thyme, and what's the other one? Rosemary. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, about 2 tablespoons of curry powder, and about 1 tablespoon of paprika. Yes. And then about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And now we're going to add our coconut milk, which I forgot to mention at the beginning. And stir to mix. And then now we're going to I'll bake the chicken and let it simmer with the sauce. I'm gonna put on the lid and let it simmer for about 10 minutes at low heat. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. So now I'm just going to add the veggies. And just stir them in. I'm also gonna add the basil. And just there. And let it simmer until the veggies are cooked. On the lid so it cooks quicker. I'm going to increase the heat a little bit and let it cook for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how cooked the veggies are. I'm going to test with a fork to see if the baby marrow is cooked. Yes, it's cooked, but some of the chicken was not in the sauce, so I'm just going to let it simmer for an extra 5 minutes, then it will be done. Okay, everything is cooked now and dinner is ready. Let's go eat. Now we're going to dish up. Look how beautiful it looks. And I bet you it's also as delicious as it looks. So there's our beautiful plate. Go try it and let me know what you think. Thank you.